Hey team, today I'm going to show you one of my favourite ways to use your barbecue leftovers. We've got some pulled beef rib, which we smoked up last week, and we're going to turn it into nachos. To show you how easy it is, I'm even going to get the kids to do it. Now we're using a smoked beef rib that we cooked up last week. We pulled it off the bone, put it into a vacuum sealed bag and into the freezer. We pulled it out of the freezer, put it in a pot of simmering water for about 30 minutes. If you're short of time, you can also pop it in the microwave to reheat it. So we have our corn chips, our salsa, our pulled beef rib, our cheese, our sour cream, and our guac. Guys, let's get going. Whoa, yep, that's it, put it on. Whoa. Amazing. Now we've assembled our nachos, we're going to put them in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes or until the cheese melts at 250 degrees Celsius. So we've taken our nachos out of the oven and they are looking and smelling delicious. The only thing left to do is to add the sour cream and the guacamole. Good? Let me try.